Hello students, welcome to Eduauraa and I am your physics mentor Umesh Nirgun. For a particle, if a motion starts from the origin and its velocity varies with the time according to the given velocity time graph, plot the acceleration time, position time and distance time graph for the time interval 0 to 2t0. So here we have the graph. At t0 the velocity is equal to 0 and at 0 the velocity is v0. Okay, then the velocity it goes on decreasing. Why? Because we have some negative acceleration, and finally it reaches at the point 3t0. So this is my velocity time graph. With the help of this graph, I have to find out which one? Acceleration time graph. Even the distance time graph. Okay. What is the acceleration? The slope of the graph. Suppose if I take this angle is equal to alpha. Slope of the graph, it is nothing but what? The angle made with the positive direction of x-axis. So it is pi minus alpha. So first of all, I would like to discuss about the alpha. Tan alpha is equal to v0 upon t0. Opposite side upon adjacent side. So it is v0 upon t0, and that's why tan pi minus alpha is equal to minus v0 upon t0. Clear? So the slope it is negative. So the slope it is on the negative side. Okay? And the value of the slope it is minus v0 t0. Okay? So first I would like to plot the graph. Which graph? Acceleration time graph, by using this concept. So the acceleration it is on the y-axis and the time it is on the x-axis, and this acceleration it remains constant. So here I can plot the graph. Okay, so this acceleration it is constant and the value of this it is minus v0 upon t0, or I can say a is equal to minus v0 upon t0. So this is my acceleration time graph. Okay, so now I would like to discuss about the position time graph. Now see, initially the velocity it is maximum. At certain point t0 the velocity it is 0. Clear? Means as the time advances the velocity it goes on decreasing. It reaches to what? 0, and again it moves in the opposite direction. So now I can plot the graph. See, in this graph if I find out the slope, then this slope it goes on changing. At this topmost position the velocity it becomes 0, and then here, so again at this position the particle comes back to the original. So this is the position time graph. But suppose I have to find out the distance covered. So here I am going to draw the line and take the mirror image of this. Okay, so the mirror image of this it is the area under this graph, it is the distance. Okay, because we have to find out the distance, so this is the total distance. Yeah, so that is the difference between the distance time graph and the displacement time graph. This my yellow color graph, it is the displacement time graph, and the remaining part it is the distance time graph. Clear? So keep on practicing, keep smiling. Thank you for watching Eduauraa.